Unilever's top market and talks AI, creativity, and future of marketing. In today's AI update, Esi Eggleston Bracey, the Chief Growth and Marketing Officer at Unilever, is reimagining how marketing works at a global level. C is responsible for 400 brands that reach 3.4 billion people worldwide. From her background in engineering, EC brings powerful mix of analytics thinking and creative strategy to build brands that truly connect. She believes marketing isn't just about making ads, it's about solving real problems, being culturally relevant and driving growth. Okay. For example, she helped create Febreze by identifying a need to remove fabric odors, a simple but powerful idea. He says AI shouldn't replace creativity, it should amplify it. With tools like Vaseline Verified, she show how AI can help spread message faster, smarter, and at scale. She also pushing Unilever to shift from old one-to-many marketing model to a many-to-many approach, delivering personalized, meaningful experience through smart use of data and technology. Whether you are in marketing or just curious about how AI is changing business, this story show how the business is all about blending data, creativity, and a purpose.